The BC Racing BR Series offers the most affordable entry into coilover suspension without sacrificing performance, comfort, build quality, vehicle height, or handling. This is done by extensively testing each vehicle, then refining the coilover characteristics as many times as needed to ensure the most well-balanced and affordable aftermarket suspension. BC Racing takes great pride in choosing spring rates for our off-the-shelf kits that strike the perfect balance between comfort and performance, so you're never stuck with an overstrung suspension like many other brands sell. BC Racing offers one of the widest ranges of damping adjustment, with 30 clicks of compression and rebound adjusted simultaneously on the BR series. With meticulously chosen spring rates, damper valving, and one of the widest adjustment ranges in the industry, you can't go wrong with the BC Racing BR Series coilover system. Each new install starts with the removal of the stock suspension. On this Camaro kit, we reuse the OEM upper mounts. Some kits for specific models have camber plates included. If so, they replace your OEM mounts. The camber plates allow a maximum of 3 degrees camber adjustment, in addition to the amount of natural camber gained by lowering your vehicle. Front camber plates are available on specific kits, as well as rear camber plates on certain applications. Please contact our customer support team to discuss whether camber plates are applicable to your year, make, and model. BC Racing BR coilovers are highly customizable with a monotube shock design. They perform with a linear piston and dampening curve. Each kit has height adjustment independent of spring compression. We offer custom valving or valving paired for custom spring rates. And of course, a 1-year warranty against manufacturer defect is standard. This kit has the standard BC Racing springs made with SAE 9254 steel, with zinc undercoating and outer powder coating to ensure rust does not penetrate the metal of the spring and compromise performance or reliability. Some kits offer a Swiss spring upgrade. Swiss springs are manufactured using superior engineering and made from a proprietary magnetic steel alloy, which is faster reacting and more compliant than traditional springs. You can find out more about a Swift upgrade on our website or by calling one of our customer support representatives. If you need to use the OEM upper mounts, it's important to compress the springs on your front suspension before you take the upper mounts off, as they are usually under load. When doing this, safety is very important. With this particular Camaro, we wanted to maintain a comfortable ride, so we stayed with the default spring rates. The default rates strike the perfect balance between comfort and performance. If you want a stiffer ride for your application, you can increase your spring rates. Bigger is not necessarily better, so please talk to one of our representatives about what spring rates are best for your application. BC Racing coilovers come in standard setup and most are available in extreme low. The standard kit starts you off 1 inch below stock and can be lowered an additional 2 to 3 inches depending on your model. The extreme low option allows an additional 1 inch drop in most applications. Some kits are extreme low by default. If this is a bit confusing, call our customer support team. We will help you choose the best kit for your year, make, and model. A proper wheel alignment with each and every install plays an important role in ensuring your new BC Racing suspension is solid and correct. BC Racing also makes coilovers for the track and road enthusiasts, the drifters, and the all-around racers out there with their DS, ER, HM, RM, and ZR series. These are not your ordinary everyday coilovers. Check out our website for more details and all the info you need on BC Racing products.